Good morning, and time is at about 4 o'clock, I think. And I thought I'll quickly do a video. Again today also I couldn't do a live video because I was definitely occupied with the work, and also there is some bit of a challenge with the Bank Nifty. That's the main reason. I changed the colors mainly to use this pointer. And if you're not able to see this properly, do let me know. I'll go back to the original black color. All right. So today, Bank Nifty predominantly started bit of a gap up, and usually when there is a gap up, I would expect that there is going to be some fall. But then I thought it's going to be the first 15 minutes, and then it's going to pick up. But unfortunately, that did not happen. So this is the place I was thinking it's going to really bounce back, and that actually did not happen. And then it predominantly went till 49,700, 750, I think, or 497, yeah, around that. And then after that, there was a bounce back, and I think most of my indicators were showing downward trend. However, I did initially I did start with a CE trade on Bank Nifty. That definitely helped to get these some profits out here. But then, as I said, I was looking at a bit of a bounce back from here, but then as I said, that did not happen. And eventually when I tried to get into PE, I definitely got into losses. And then I was also expecting it might probably go and then hit somewhere here, which is yesterday's low. That also did not happen. So all this really caused some bit of a issue. And finally, I know I did not record, but then I will tell you what really happened to the Bank Nifty, right? So the CE gave some money, and then I tried coming a bit more closure. And then as market started falling, I had PE position, I think, which is 49,700 or 49,500, one of those. And then I started getting into losses, and that led to close to 2.5 lakhs losses overall PNL. And eventually I put a stop loss and then exited some other positions. And then when it started picking up, I again started adding some more positions on the PE. But then here I was very close to this particular height, right? So this is about 59119. But then when I was in the when I took the positions when the market is falling down, I did stop at about 50,200, and then that eventually got into tremendous loss after this particular move. This move predominantly happened. This move happened within 30 minutes or so, and then I was not monitoring at point of time actually, but that led to close to about 10 lakhs losses, and I think about 8.9 or 9 lakhs losses, I think. So that's what I remembered. And then anyway, so I think immediately what I did was I looked at the HDFC, and then I felt the volumes are not so great. So I took it as a false move. Then eventually I have exited 50,200, and then again started back at about 50,500, I think, CE, and then started building the positions again until 230, I think I was in definitely red, and then that's where the market started. There is definitely some bit of a time decay, and then overall I was expecting today at about 4 lakhs on Bank Nifty, but then this particular up move again caused some bit of a panic and impact, and then I have to really take away some of the profits. That's what which I think overall, if you look at the Bank Nifty. 1 second, let me erase pretty much everything and then draw a different line altogether, right? So Bank Nifty, if you see, there is definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are definitely nine types of moves here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 down moves, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up moves. So actually 5 down moves and then 5 up moves, and definitely that caused some bit of a panic and then impact. Anyway, overall the trades ended in a bit of a positive note, and then I'm going to get rid of this Reliance for now. And I also have some overnight positions for Nifty. Nifty also not an easy day because at one point of time when Nifty, let me go back to this chart here, right? So Nifty also, yeah, all right. So if I go here, Nifty also went quite a bit of a down. In fact, some point of time I thought it's going to really touch 24,000, but fortunately that did not happen. So because of that, yeah, right. So that did not happen. In fact, at this point of time, I was having 24,000 and PE obviously. So that got into almost like 2.5 lakh losses. And then overall, Nifty was definitely hovering between anywhere from 2 lakhs losses to, in fact, max it went to 2.5 or something. And then overall, there was definitely some bit of a rotation, but I was fairly confident on Nifty. The reason was 24,000. The PE is quite strong here from morning. It did not change. In fact, if I go on and do a full day, yeah, you can see there is a massive build up in this particular trade. And then eventually right now I'm at somewhere here, 24,150 as I moved my triangle lot more closure. That's what which happened. So that is a Nifty trade. Nifty, I will get rid of these overnight positions. I think that will give us some good insights into where the positions are there at this point of time. And then out of this, as you can see, the PE positions made quite a bit of a profit, but then this PE to 24,000 PE, if I go back to, let's say trading view, here you go. So this, in fact, had a quite a bit of a massive moment today. I will go to 1 minute chart, and if you go to this chart, yeah, it started somewhere here, but then peak it went to 49, and then currently it ended at about 12 rupees or so. So this particular move caused quite a bit of panic, and then I had to. I don't think I exited, but I stayed on the trade, if I remember correctly. At that point of time, and instead I got into 2.4 or 5 lakhs loss overall. Yeah, I think somewhere here. And then eventually it predominantly died down the position. So I think that's that's Nifty. And then I exited HDFC. The reason is I felt for the money that I'm getting, the kind of time that I had to spend is quite a bit of a high. So that's the reason I have exited at this point of time. But I will try to not to do these stock trades within my main account. And when it comes to Reliance, I don't think it moved anywhere. But then from yesterday, the losses have come down drastically. Let me go to Reliance. So, I mean, at this point of time, if I just stay here and then the Reliance doesn't move anywhere, I'll still be in profit. As I said yesterday, Reliance overall is in profits of about 4 lakhs as of now. Maybe I'm thinking I will probably exit this trade tomorrow. But again, this is also, I need to spend some bit of a time to look at these positions and then make some adjustments. I do not want to spend that much time on this trade. So probably this will give a few thousands at the 1 or 2 lakhs here and there. Anyway, I already got 4 lakhs. So if I exit tomorrow, I will exit at about, let's say, 2.5 or 2.1. Still, the profits are about 2 lakhs, I think. So maybe I'll exit this tomorrow so that I will not make this interfere into my main account. I think that's the plan at this point of time. And overall, yeah, 6 lakhs. And overall, I think it was a roller coaster day, to be honest. The reason was BankNifty was quite volatile. And then I think one particular trade, which is this one, right? So this one got into almost like 11 lakhs losses at this point of time. Eventually it got expired worthless. If it had gone up quite a bit up, I would have been in bigger losses today. But anyway, I think that's all for today. And then let's see how the day would be shaping up tomorrow. I think I will be mostly, I'll do a bit of a look at my P&L. I think if I am close to about 5% this month, I will probably not trade rest of the month, I will do very passive trades or the small trades. Do not want to really go and then impact the capital. So that's the main reason. And overall, I think today, definitely my portfolio is here. I absolutely can't show right now, but then gave about 2.5%. It's notional. So, but then when the market fell, it was into 4.2% losses, I think, that single day. But I think it's recovering. That's a good news. And I did buy some stocks today, and let's see how the market would actually do on tomorrow and then rest of the month. Okay, that's all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.